Artificial intelligence takes control. XQ-58A Valkyrie drone flight success. In a groundbreaking moment for unmanned warfare, a recent demonstration flight saw artificial intelligence fly an XQ-58A Valkyrie drone without a human pilot for the first time. The U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory, AFRL, and defense contractor Kratos completed the test flight in August 2023. During the test, AI technology successfully controlled the drone's flight, showcasing the potential for AI integration in future military operations. The XQ-58A Valkyrie is an unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, designed to function alongside manned aircraft in combat situations. The drone can serve various mission sets, including intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, electronic warfare, strike, and mesh networking. The successful demonstration of AI piloting this drone is a significant milestone in the development of autonomous military systems. The integration of AI with the Valkyrie drone is part of the Skyborg program, which aims to create a suite of missionized prototypes to enable manned-unmanned teaming, MUM-T. The Skyborg program is aimed at developing cost-effective, attritable unmanned systems that can take on high-risk missions, saving human pilots from potential danger. The flight saw the AI control the drone, making decisions autonomously while staying within the predefined constraints set by human controllers. This level of AI integration opens up new possibilities for the future of autonomous military drones and systems. The flight's success is likely to accelerate the development of AI-integrated drones and combat systems in the military. This test flight marks a key step in the journey toward more autonomous combat systems, potentially changing the face of future warfare. The Valkyrie's successful flight under AI control signals a new era in unmanned systems, with the potential for significant strategic impact. However, the complexities and potential risks associated with AI-controlled combat systems underline the need for rigorous testing, regulatory, and ethical frameworks. Remember to subscribe for more riveting insights into global AI developments.